To get the most out of Semrush position tracking, it is essential to understand when to use this powerful tool. Semrush position tracking is a feature that allows you to monitor the position of your website or a specific web page in search engine results pages for target keywords. First, you need to identify your target keywords. These are the keywords you want your website to rank for in search engines. Once you have your target keywords, you can set up position tracking in Semrush. This will allow you to track the position of your website for these keywords over time. You should use Semrush position tracking when you are launching a new website or web page and want to monitor its performance in search engines. You can also use it when you are optimizing your website for specific keywords and want to track the impact of your optimization efforts. Additionally, position tracking can be used to monitor your competitors and identify gaps in the market. To get started with position tracking, you need to set up a project in Semrush and add the keywords you want to track. You can then view the position of your website for these keywords, as well as the position of your competitors. This data can be used to adjust your search engine optimization strategy and improve the visibility of your website. Best practices for using Semrush position tracking include tracking a mix of high and low volume keywords, monitoring your competitors, and adjusting your tracking settings regularly. It is also essential to keep in mind that position tracking is just one part of a comprehensive search engine optimization strategy, and should be used in conjunction with other tools and techniques. By following these steps and using Semrush position tracking effectively, you can gain valuable insights into the performance of your website and make data-driven decisions to improve your search engine optimization strategy. This can help you increase the visibility of your website, drive more traffic, and ultimately achieve your online marketing goals.